Welcome to the tutorial on how to mute your mic while singing. So first off, let's just say that you're in the song where you need to sing your part and you don't want to make any noise other than your part. Just so you know, I am using an Apple headset. I have a plus and a minus button, and then in the center you can press it down, and when you press it down that actually mutes your mic. So let's do that so you can see what happens. It brings up Siri. So what you want to do is scroll up. If you have an iPhone 10 or any other iPhone, you just press the home button in the center on the bottom. And that will get rid of Siri. Alright, so you want to do that before you enter the song. That is the best time to do it. Let's go into start and say we're going to start singing here in a minute. The trick to this part is that you want to pause it. You just press right in the center of the lyrics to pause it. Or you can go to the X to pause it. But either way, you still want to pause it before you unmute this mic. I have had this held down the entire time from when I clicked off of Siri. So you do not want to let that go until you're ready to sing. But do not let it go until after you've paused the song. Okay, so the song is paused. Then we want to let go. And I'm going to put it back up to my ear so I can sing. And then that's how you unmute your mic and you mute your mic. Now when you're ready to mute it again, you sing your part, and let's say I just sang my part. I pause it again before I mute, then I mute my mic again, I hold this down, I click out of Siri, and then I unpause it. It will go directly back into the song and there will be no noise whatsoever. If you do not have a mic that has this option, I suggest getting one because they are very helpful. I hope this helped, and if you have questions, give me a holler. Thank you.